Hey guys, Don here from RPM Steering and Suspension again. Today we're going to do a product feature on our control arm sets. These sets are specifically built with our aluminum, which is a 7075 T6 cold finish setup. They have a lifetime warranty for bend and break, but one of the features that's really cool is because of our aluminum, they're double adjustable. We use the rock jock joints at each end, they're the narrow joints. And because of that, we're able to use the bar in the center to do all adjustments on the vehicle. You do not have to drop a joint out and make an adjustment and hope that you hit that mark again. You can put these in at our preset lengths that we give you with the lift you have, and then you can adjust and tweak just using the bar in the center. That really makes these easy. Your alignment guy is going to love you on this. These are set up to run with a 2 to a 5.5 inch lift on whatever vehicle you have. The lift, you get to pick your favorite springs, you get to pick your favorite shocks, or upgrade your current kit that may have some joints or problems in the arms that you have. Swap in our arm system with your springs and setup that you have now, and you're ready to go down the road. You can find these on our website at rpmsteering.com if you have any questions.